Boo! Hi, my name is Khanh Ong. I am a chef, part owner of the George on Collins. I've got a cookbooks, I do some TV shows, and you might also know me from making lunchboxes. Today though, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of my home. Let's go. So first room of the house is my kitchen, where I spend the majority of my time. It is built for function, so everything in here has a place. I cook a lot in here, obviously, as you can tell. All my utensils are out, my knives are all there. So there used to be a fridge in here, but I needed more storage space. So I've converted that into kind of a little bit of a pantry of the things that I use the most of. And obviously, because I cook so much, I also love to entertain. So I've got my bar cart here when I have people over, but also my extended bar cart over here. So this is great because when people are having cocktails and stuff, they can just sit down, have a little drink, have a chat while I'm slaving away in the kitchen. But when I am in this space, I choose to sit right here for two reasons. I can see the television perfectly, but also I can see myself. So if I'm on a date or something like that, I know how I'm looking. And that also brings me to this piece. This side table is relatively new to the home. It is a travertine table. It is handmade here in Victoria, down in Cheltenham, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I've got a matching side table, two matching side tables in my bedroom, which I'll show you a tiny bit later. But let's go to the dining room. All right, so the dining space. Oh, before that though, these cushions, they're MasterChef. I love them to bits. Whenever he makes a gown, the offcuts become cushions. Look them up. I have people over a lot. I'm all about a really nice table setting. I'm all about really good food, good company. It's also here because when you look out there at the entire city at night, the view is absolutely beautiful. My favorite thing about this view is the lights. The entire city has they're like little twinkling stars, and if we turn all the lights off in the apartment, we can just kind of stare out for hours because we can see everything. I'm talking like a Box Hill down that way, we can see the MCG, Flinders Street's right there, all the way to Port Phillip Bay over there. It's just like everything. So this is my bedroom, where none of the magic happens because I am extremely single. I spend the most of my time in here editing videos. So in the morning before I get up for the gym, I'll be laying in bed just editing a video for the day. These are the side tables I was talking about that match the table out there, which I am loving right now. I think it's because it's summer, so I'm liking the lighter colors. I have a bath at least twice a week. Makeup is full. Again, skincare is really important to me, so that's chock-a-blocked full of skincare. Lighting's really bad though, so we're gonna go back out there. Okay, so I'm feeling really vulnerable today. The next space that I'm gonna show you is something that I'm very self-conscious about, but I'm happy to share it with you because I feel like this is a safe space. So come with me. This is my everything room. It's called an everything room because there's everything in it. I have all of my plateware, things that I style with, things that we eat on platters, other cooking utensils. We have a spare fridge in here for drinks, and also all of my merch for -18, my charity label that I do for -18. Everything lives in here. It's like an everything drawer that everyone has at home, but it's a room, and I think that everyone should have one as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of my home. I'm about to have people over for a little lunch though, so it's time for you to go. And by lunch, I mean cocktails. Bye.